Hi, my name is Barry Milimo, Director and Founder of Tree Club Zambia. Tree Club Zambia is an NGO, is a registered NGO based within Lusaka, Zambia. Our mandate is to renew all the forests in Zambia, and we are very much concentrating on indigenous trees. So Tree Club Zambia, we have a few activities like picnics, reforestation, and also education walks, educating people about trees, the importance of trees, when to grow, how to grow them, yeah, and also the benefits, the types of trees that needs to be planted on that particular area. So that's one of our activities. So talking about forests. Forests, they come with their own special types of indigenous trees. So those indigenous trees, like here we've got Blackstigia bomi. Blackstigia bomi is also known as the Prince of Wales. That's the common English name, the Prince of Wales feathers. The local name is called Mombo tree. So this is the dry Mombo forest. Yeah, good afternoon, Jesse.
Hi again, Barry.
What brings you here?
Well, you know, Barry, I always come here at least once every 2 months.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, for the fresh air, just to see the trees and to unwind.
Yeah.
And of course, I love hearing your stories about the different uses of the trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's good to see the forest in the different seasons.
Exactly. Yeah.
Now the rains have started, so there's more green.
More activities, more new things.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's
and
great.
I can't wait for the mushroom picking again.
Definitely, definitely. So we're looking forward to that maybe in the next coming 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So we'll be having a mushroom pick walk here. So
it's like Prozac. It's my Prozac. Takes away depression.
yeah, exactly. So yeah, me too. You know, it's really soothes my soul. Yeah. So it encourages me a lot. Seeing nature, new shoots, the way the environment changes. It soothes my soul. Makes me feel happy.
Oh, there's another orchid. You're lucky. See this orchid? You have to call the orchid expert.
Okay.
Oh, that looks like another Eulofia.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I think it's orthocylus now.
I've not seen this one. I've never seen this one.
With that kind of more closed flower, since Benny has put it into orthocylus. I hesitate to say orthocylus rarus, but I'm not sure.
It's beautiful, though, isn't it?
This is Bobcania madagascariensis, or snake bean tree. So as you can see, the tree got its name from the shape of the pod, snake bean tree. So the way it looks like a snake. So this is where the tree got its name from. So I want to try to grow them.
This is the trees. These are the trees that Mombo Woodland was named after. This is Brachystegia bomi.
Oh, the Prince of Wales
And
feathers.
the common name, Prince of Wales feathers. Local name, Mombo. Yeah.
Does it get any fruit or just?
It gets pods, twist pods.
They are eatable?
But they are, Barry will tell you some medicinal uses for this one.
It is traditionally proven that it cleans, when a baby is born, it is used to cleanse the baby.
With this?
Yeah, this. The same Mombo, yeah. Traditionally proven, not scientifically. Yeah.
It's just to give the baby strength because they're
Strength,
such
yeah.
beautiful, strong trees.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, Daniel.
Yes, Gary. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too, bro.
Thank you for having us here in this wonderful
Yeah.
environment.
How inspiring did you find this place?
Well, you know, this,
how important?
this environment that I'm in now brings back a lot of memories.
Okay.
Because a person like me being born on a farm,
Yeah.
I was born with an environment, you know, associating myself with nature.
Definitely.
I've always been around this sort of environment.
Definitely.
And right now, I got my kids here,
Yeah.
and I feel it's been sort of a family event.
Exactly.
It started off a little bit warm, but now the sun's gone down,
Exactly. Yeah.
and it's a little bit cooler.
Yeah.
The boys are running around, and you
Yeah.
know, they're feeding themselves. It's going into the system as
Exactly.
well. You know, the environment. So
Yeah.
for me, this is the place that I'm home to. You know.
Okay. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. So as Tree Club, we do meet once a month. Yeah. Every last Sunday of the month. So we do our educational walks. So if you'd like to find us, you can search for Tree Club Zambia. That's our Facebook. Then we also on WhatsApp, so you can get our numbers, our contact addresses right on our social media page.